Hey everyone, what is up? Tim here, back again for Droid Life. Thank you so much for tuning into the channel. As you can see, we got something pretty special here. We have the Galaxy Z Flip, or the Galaxy Z Flip, however you want to go. There's no wrong way. Or you know what, we're just going to be calling it the Galaxy Flip, just to, make matters real easy. So, announced this week at Unpacked 2020. We obviously don't have S20 devices yet. Those are coming in March. So, in the meantime, we're just going to have to deal with Samsung's latest flip phone. And, we're actually pretty darn excited about it. If you guys catch my hands on, I was gushing pretty hard. So we're going to dive right in, take a look at the specs, hardware, maybe go over the software, and that's it. So let's get into it. This is our Galaxy Z Flip unboxing. All right, here we are. Full transparency, I did cut a couple of stickers. I know sometimes people, they want us to watch us cut it, but I like to do that off camera because I always screw it up, I don't want to cut my finger off on camera. So here it is, just back on that box, I guess I should show you. So Z branding on the side, nothing. Right side, Galaxy Z Flip from Samsung. On the back just goes over the package contents. We've got the phone inside, wall charger, stereo headset, USB-C connector, quick start guide, terms, conditions, a clear cover, nice, and unlocked. We don't have the AT&T model. On the outside of this box, just Flip. Where's a little Flip? I know I'm going to get off topic here, but whatever happened to little Flip? How's he doing? Galaxy Z Flip, made in Korea. Anyway, I'm too excited. Let's just get right into this thing. I will say this packaging is a bit, it's less, I guess, extravagant, at least kind of compared to the Galaxy Fold. That packaging was pretty incredible. So here we go. The future changes shape. Meet your Galaxy Z Flip. The revolutionary Galaxy Z Flip takes the mobile industry to the next level by placing a powerful and intuitive device in the palm of your hand. Now, that's pretty much all smartphones. With its unparalleled innovation and design, Galaxy Z Flip changes the mobile experience for those like you who stand out from the crowd, for the expressive, the bold, and the rule breakers. I'm all of those things. This is great. I'm like getting the heart's kind of going up, adrenaline's going. With an elegant compactness, Galaxy Z Flip is a device like no other, fitting smoothly into your life and your pocket. Yes, welcome to the next level foldable experience, Galaxy Z Flip. Very cool. So nice little welcome thing. I do appreciate. So here's the device. We have the black model, the Mirror Black. We were unable to get the Mirror Purple edition. That one, of course, sold out pretty darn quick, but we were able to get this one. So we're just happy to have one in-house. I mean, these things are kind of hard to come by, priced at $1,380 here in the U.S. Best Buy selling out. Samsung's website sold out. They're going to get more soon, I think February 21st. But for now, we've got the black one. I'm just happy to have one. I mean, this thing is sweet. So I'm going to go ahead and start undoing this. Looks like this one's first. I'm going to place it to the side, fire it up, and then we will go over the rest of the package contents. So there's that. Off all the plastic stuff. Here's the device. Holy moly. You can kind of see that single crease there. Unlike the Moto Razr, it doesn't have a whole bunch of bumps and other creases. Just that single crease down the middle where it folds. Here's the back side here. So we'll go over specs in a second. So in person and in this proper lighting I have, the Mirror Black, it's got kind of almost a bluish kind of look, maybe like a midnight blue. I don't know if y'all remember that color, but it's actually kind of a bluish hue to the black. It looks really good. It's actually quite nice. It's obviously not, mirror purple, but that's okay. We'll go ahead and turn it on here. Let's see. Oh, so you have your fingerprint reader here on the right side. I'll go over specs in a second, but that doubles as your power button. So Galaxy Z Flip booting up. I'll let that boot to the side. Y'all can watch. We've got your Galaxy Z Premier service. So you're getting the same concierge service that Galaxy Fold users bought. Of course, I mean, for phones this expensive, you should get some Premier service. However, this phone is actually cheaper than a Galaxy S20 Ultra. So you're getting Premier service with that too. I don't know. Bixby or whoever, Samsung's voice assistant is talking. No big deal. We've got your wall charger here. Of course, this is adaptive fast charging. Samsung travel charger, USB-A here. Looking good, looking good. We've got, oops, busted that, whatever it was. Oh, there we go. We've got your little data transfer here, USB-A to USB-C. pretty pretty normal stuff here. Moving on, we've got a USB-A to USB-C. That's for your charging cable. There's no way I'm going to be able to put that back properly. And then your stereo headset, which is just a pair of AKG tuned buds. These look like the same thing that come with past Samsung devices. You got some extra tips in there. I want to see that clear case real quick. I'm going to make a total mess and I apologize. This feels pretty empty. Am I like, is the clear case already on it? What do they mean by clear case? Oh, hey, look at that. They hid it from me. Hidden. All right. So let's go in here. This is going to be where your quick start guide and all that stuff is. There's your SIM ejection tool. All right, pulling out the case here, quick reference guide. Look at this mess. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, so here's your clear cover. Very nice. If you want to protect your device, there's that. There's no way I'm going to use that. People will probably say like, oh, you should, man. But like, nah. Nah. I got the future. You think I'm trying to cover up the future? No. That's not how I operate. So now I'm just going to kind of gently toss all of that aside. Let's go over specs. Let's look at the device. Let's have some fun. Let's fold it. Let's flip it. Let's do all the good stuff. So here's the device. We'll turn on the display for you. So starting at the top, when you unfold it here, you've got a 6.7-inch Full HD. It's a dynamic AMOLED. Infinity Flex is what they're kind of calling this technology of being able to fold it or flip it. I don't know. So 6.7-inch Full HD on the outside here. So this little guy, this little ticker display, that's a 1.1-inch Super AMOLED display. You can't do much with it. It is going to show you the time, the date, and then also you can access like a selfie viewfinder. So when you're taking pictures with these and you're holding the phone out, you can actually get a viewfinder here so you can see what you're actually taking a picture of, which is nice. I will say this folds and unfolds so nicely. It actually feels really good. Really excited about that. 256 gigs of storage, 8 gigs of RAM. We do have the dual camera system on the backside here. 12 megapixel ultra wide angle plus a 12 megapixel standard wide angle lens. On the front here for that single cutout, we have a 10 megapixel camera. 3,300 milliamp hour battery. I'm pretty sure that's split right down the middle between the two. Like the Fold, we've got a dual battery system going on for the device. So battery up here, and in here they got some linkage and syncing going on, so you have like a single battery. It is LTE only, so I think that helped kind of keep that price down to $1,380. They undercut Motorola Razr by $120, which is actually pretty impressive considering all the specs you're getting on top of this. Just like a better experience device. So $1,380, no 5G, you got LTE only, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5, USB-C, NFC. Here's the bottom of the device. You've got your USB-C port, microphone, single speaker here. On the right side, that fingerprint reader again, which doubles as your power button, volume rocker. On the top, noise canceling mic, and on the left side, nothing besides your, that's your SIM port right there. Pretty sure there is, I'm pretty sure there is expandable storage, but let's confirm. Go ahead, insert. Pull that out. Yep, so just a SIM slot, no expandable storage. Good to know. Would hate to be giving off all the wrong info. So again, comes mirror purple, mirror black, and mirror gold in select regions. Pretty sure it's not the US though, at least not for now. And then it's running Android 10, One UI on top. So good to have it coming with the latest version of Android. That's always super helpful. Let's just go ahead and we'll fold it up a couple more times. You know, I was at Unpack 2020 and the reps were kind of talking about, you know, I said, all right, what's the official good, safe way of opening this thing? And they said, just go for it. You know, you can use, once it's already open, you can go ahead, use one finger to slide it around, all that. You know, maybe if you're really confident in yourself, you can start prying your thumb in there and flicking it open. I don't know if I'll ever do that. I'll probably just go two-handed, kind of do this whole shimmy thing, which is fine. I mean, it's an expensive device. I don't think we plan on keeping it forever, so we're going to have to return it. I want to be careful with it, but I want to enjoy it. So this is the outside. I've gone over the specs. I'm going to go ahead and get it all set up, and then we can go on a little software tour. Alright, back. Everything is set up. Everything's groovy and gravy with the Galaxy Z Flip. Gonna now show you just a couple of software things that I've noticed after now setting up the device. So, in terms of the selfie viewfinder, what you're going to do is do a double tap on the power button, which makes a lot of sense because it's very similar to other devices. So you're going to give that a double click. And then down here, you can now see an actual little viewfinder. And then to take a picture, you can just say, you can click on the volume rocker and it snaps pics. And then when you're in that, you can actually flip that open and then it goes right to the camera. And then you can just snap your pictures and then there they are. You can enjoy them and everything looks groovy. And there I am. The next thing, as I use the fingerprint reader here to unlock the device. Ah, yes, very nice. So out of the box, it comes with Samsung's navigation bar, of course, and they do that kind of weird thing where they put the back button on the right side. Not a huge fan. So first thing I would say is just open up those display settings. Choose now if you want to be in that light or dark mode. Play with your brightness, whatever. We're going to do all the usual video stuff for this device, so just be on the lookout for all of that. But the first thing that I had to do was scroll down through here and find somewhere is the navigation bar. So navigation bar, I turned on the full screen gestures because Samsung's aren't all that bad, at least compared to the Pixel 4 XL that I've been using for the past few months. So before it's on this the navigation buttons, these dedicated buttons, and it's all, so you can either swap that to the standard Android of back, the arrow pointing on the actual right side, the right side being the left side, and then or just swapping through the full screen gestures. And I just do the gestures. They seem to be working pretty well. You got your swipes and your slides and all that good stuff. Not too much, if you've experienced One UI on a Samsung device, there's actually not too much different here. You've still got all the same stuff. You've got all your Samsung apps, your smart things, your Samsung Health. I mean, it's a big Samsung phone. It just happens to be able to fold super coolly like that. So I'll be flipping this thing for quite a bit and I'll be bringing you a full review. I did want to show you actually a few size comparisons here. So, I mean, the Z Flip is, it's no small device. It's a little bit taller than a Galaxy Note 10 Plus that's here on my left. It's, I don't know, about the same thickness, I suppose, but it's not as wide as the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, but definitely a little taller. So both good devices in the size department, I wanted to say. Not sure if this is obviously a good device, but we shall see. And then here's next to the Pixel 4 XL. So definitely a little taller, but not as wide. I'd say they're about the same in terms of width, left to right. So that's that again, $1,380, right under $1,400 for this device. I'll be flipping and stuff. I'm really excited. It's cool. It's something new, and I enjoy new things. I mean, it's slick, and apparently it's the future. We shall see about all that. There's that beautiful Samsung logo on the back. I love when you unfold it. That hinge system just kind of disappears into the device. Very cool. And fingerprint reader seems to work very well. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or anything, there's my beautiful face again. If you have any questions about the device, oh goodness gracious, any questions about the device, please feel free to shoot them down in the comments section below. I'll field them. And until then, we are Droid Life. Peace.